Hi, my name is Dale Maley. I've been doing genealogical searches for more than 10 years now. I've done over 200 different family trees, and I thought I'd share a little trick that I learned that's been really helpful, and I use this trick each time I research a new family tree. And what it is Google has a book search option in addition to the regular search. Now let's say we put your ancestor's name into a regular Google search. It will find old magazines and books that your ancestor is listed in. However, those results are usually so far down the list from the Google search, might be pages and pages, before you ever find them. So it really proves to be difficult to find magazines or books that your ancestor is listed in. Now, how do you find the book search in Google? Well, bring up the regular Google search box as shown here on the left. If you go to the upper right, that little circle up there with 9 dots in it, click on that, and that opens up other options. And one of those options it opens up is books, as you can see circled in red. So if you want to do the book search, just click on the books. Now, let's do an example so you can see what the difference is between using a regular Google search and a book search. So in my town, I know there's a guy named John Virgin, and he was a dealer in what's called Percheron horses. Those are big French draft horses, and he lived around 1900. So here I've got John Virgin's name in parentheses, and then did a plus sign for Percheron, and I did a regular Google search. Well, the first 2 items that came up from the search are two things that I wrote before. The third one has nothing to do with the John Virgin I want. And if you keep scrolling down to the results, you can go page after page and you won't find any books or magazines that relate to John Virgin and Percherons. Now, let's try the Google book search option. And you can see I circled the little books there below Google in green. So we are in the book search option. I put the exact same thing in, John Virgin in parentheses, plus Percheron. And then I hit search to do the Google book search. Now, here's the result that happened when I used the book search option. And I can only show the first one up here to fit on a page, but I had 13 different successive hits on my search item. 13 different books or magazines that were my guy. Then the next one, the 14th item, had nothing to do with my guy, but then it resumed more hits that were my guy. So totally amazing how easy it is to use the book search and how quickly you can find more information about your ancestor. So in summary, this little short video explains how to use Google's book search option to find information about your ancestors. It's a very simple tool, but very powerful. Hopefully you can use this tip when you're doing your own genealogical searches. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.